This is about the edge side inferencing. It's not the server side. And also, this is about how we make the inferencing in the edge side more energy efficient using the deep quantization. So we'll first go to the requirement in the edge side. That is quite different from the server side. And then we go down to our solution that using the deep quantization. And we explain why we choose the deep quantization for the edge side solution. And then we dive into the benefit of the deep quantization and also some of the issues. There are issues of the deep quantization. And then we give some of the strategy of the deep quantization, how to use it. And then we go to the real-world examples.